Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Mega. Let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, tap power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as MICROMAX logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the Android robot pops up, so now all you need to do is simply start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. This is Android system recovery, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down to choose yes, delete all user data and press power button to choose it. That's it, the phone is sweeping all personal data and customized settings. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And as soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds. Or maybe even more, this operation may take even a few minutes, so let's just be patient. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.